We also have in the panel Mr. Angel Sumagaysay, Head of the Public Safety and Security Office, the Head of the City Transport and Traffic Management Office, Sir Janicio Abude. Good morning, sir. And we have the President of the Davao Tourism Association, Ms. Nicole Haubian Ledesma. Good morning, ma'am. And the co-chairperson of the Kadayawan Festival Executive Committee and head of the MICE Board, Ms. Jean Bangayan. Good morning, ma'am. Of course, the celebration of Kadayawan 2024 will not be complete without the 11 deputy mayors of our 11 tribes of Davao City. We have the deputy mayor of the Ata tribe, Roel Arthur Ali Jr. Sir, good morning. We have from the deputy mayor of the Bagobo Plata, Sir Erwin B. Adolfo. Good morning, sir. We have the deputy mayor of Bagobo Tagabawa tribe, Ma'am Cheryl Anino. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. We have from the deputy mayor of the Matig Salud tribe, Carlito Ginto. Sir, good morning. We also have the deputy mayor of the Obu Manobo, Anthony Guyan. Sir, good morning. We also have the deputy mayor of the Iranun, Pamigiran Latif Arumpak Jr. Sir, good morning. From the Maguindanao tribe, Gabriel Nakan, represented by Sir Mahir. Good morning, sir.
Okay lang.
We also have from the Maranao, Ma'am Rahima Usman Pulao. Good morning. And the Deputy Mayor of the Sama Tribe, Estrelita Tanjili Mahamud, represented by Ma'am Meraida. Good morning, ma'am. And the Tausug Tribe, Sir Edyamin Taha Ma'am Edyamin Taha Alhalu. Representative also. Thank you so much, ma'am. We Deputy Mayor sa Kagan Tribe is si Sir Michael Mohammed is coming, no? So he will also grace our press con for today. So of course, in the tradition of I Speak, kabag na ta kung unsa ang una, ang opening statement gikan sa atong mga guests. So maguna ta sa opening statement gikan sa atong 11 tribes.
Sumayong buntag na itong tanan. So, sir, ma'am, ay buntag. So, ako yung kaingon, salamat sa opportunity ng dihatag sa tourism, sa Exicom, o sa region na sila karoon din aron sa Bihikong mga conference. Anak lang po, welcome ka na po tanan.
Thank you, sir. Next, ma'am.
Madigar salam, kanyo lamon. Again, sa inyo ni Dito, daghang kay salamat sa Exicom, sa City Tourism, sa kay Sir Sumagaysay sa pag-imbita sa amuan dali karon sa 11 tribe para sa Kadayawan. And hopefully mag-enjoy ta this coming Kadayawan and daghang kayong i-prepare na mga bag-o ang atong City Tourism uban sa mga cities Exicom. Daghang salamat ug God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maling lumo mong lahat, may buntag sa tanan. First of all, I would like to say thank you to the City Government of Davao for giving us this opportunity once again to celebrate and showcase the diverse and colorful cultures of Davao City, of the 11 tribes, not only the 11 tribes but the whole community of Davao, the culture of security also, diverse culture, and the culture of unity among us Davaoenos. And also to our friends in media, of course, you are the one na makatapang gid sa mga nga showcase na to na. Lastly, mayong buntag, let's celebrate the Kadayawan Festival 2024 with Davao.
Thank you, sir.
Mapil sa kita tanan, dagang salamat sa kahigayunan nga anay kita karon labi na sa media, sa tourism, sa Exicom, ma'am, kay Sebastian. Salamat sa kahigayunan nga anay ang 11 tribes para sa pagduyog, pagdasig labi na sa Kadayawan. Ug karon ang adlaw nga mas mugadto pa ang syudad sa Davao. Salamat.
Bopian mga masalam, talamon. Good morning everyone. sa ato ang Exicom, sa City Tourism Kamang Jen, sa Magaysay, sa atong media, sa tanan, niya karon sa atong mga co-deputy mayors, mayong buntag. Same sa ingon sa mga kaubanan, no? Nagapasalamat kay kayo migdako na niya nasabta karon alang sa pag-celebrar sa maong kadayawan. Kami nga mga IP na nalipay kaayo kay Luna kay sama ni ining festival. Highlight yun ang 11 tribes sa Davao. Kung kana lang ko dalang salamat.
Thank you, sir. Irina, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mabuhay ko kayo. Good morning to sa ato ang tanan. Una sa lahat is nagkapasalamat mi sa Exicom, City Tourism, sa Sir Angel. I-enjoy lang nato ang kadayawan ko dito. Salamat.
Wala na traffic niya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, salamat po sa lahat. Salamat po sa mga heads na nag-invite po sa amin dito na masakuan po ang 11 tribes po sa Kadayawan. Yun na po, thank you.
Good morning po. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. On behalf of my Deputy Mayor sa Jamin Taha Ahalun, Tausug Tribe, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pag-invita po sa amin dito. Maraming salamat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mabuhay o madayaw. Rahima M. Usman Pulao, Deputy Mayor of the Maranao Tribe. It is again the time of the year kung aha mo bida na po ang atong 11 katribo. Happy 39 Kadayawan sa Davao. A festival of harvest and the celebration of our rich cultural tapestry. I would like to grab this opportunity to invite everyone, our Maranao community, to celebrate the beauty of our tradition and the warmth of our community. Daghan og gi-prepare ang ato ang city government para sa kaninyong tanhan celebrating the diversity of Davao City. This celebration will promote inclusivity. Dagkong pasalamat namo sa atong City Mayor, Mayor Sebastian Z. Duterte, sa walay bukas na suporta sa 11 katribo, sa ato ang City Tourism o sa ato ang Kadayawan Exicom. Ubanimi ninyo mag-TI-TI karong Kadayawan.
Okay, thank you.
Auzubillahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Peace be with us all. Mayong buntag, magandang umaga sa lahat. Una-una ay pagpapasalamat sa ating City Government of Davao dahil ito lang po ang naibang city na taon-taon po pinapakita ang kultura ng iba't ibang tribo. So sa ating butihing tourism, Ma'am Jennifer, si Sir Sumagaysay, akong idol, o si Sir Abude, o si Ma'am Bangkayan, ang atong mga Exicom, ang among pasalamat sa inyo at tanan nga kanon na inyo kaming ginasuportahan sa Kadayawan. So daghang salamat. Once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Mabuhay ang madayaw, everyone. I'm so happy to see all of you here. So, nag-discuss me ni CIO through Ms. Jesha. Now, we will be coming up with this I Speak na Kadayawan MediaCon. I'm so happy sa tanang suporta ninyo. And as always, you're always behind all our activities sa Davao City Tourism. And I would like also to take this opportunity na pasalamatan ang ato ang pinalanggang Mayor Sebastian Duterte na very supportive siya sa ato mga activities. So, wala ko nakapasalamat sa ato ang recently concluded na Duaw Davao, but thank you so much that we ended the Duaw Davao. That's first ever nato na activity, na event for the second quarter. Thank you kaayo. Then right now we are gearing towards Kadayawan na sad. So I'm so happy that you are all here to know more about our preparations together with our 11 deputy mayors. So since last year, after Kadayawan, we decided na we will be meeting regularly with the 11 deputy mayors because I believe that our coordination should not only be intended for Kadayawan activity, but this is always a month to month para at least naatay ka ng fluid na communication, matunggan nato ang ilahang mga requests, ma-uncover nato kung how we can able pa to promote more and to collaborate more with them. So I'm so happy also that they are here with us, and of course our Execom na private sector na very ever supportive, Ma'am Jean Bangayan and Miss Nicole. So they're always behind us sa tanan namong mga initiatives sa City Tourism. So thank you, and of course ang akong paborito, why pabor-pabor, ang duha, dili ang isa, si Sir Angel o si Mr. Abudi, because they are the partners gid namo sa among mga activities. Security and of course the safety plus the traffic, because that is the main na concern when we mount big events for the city. So daghang salamat o mabuhay o madayaw sa inyong tanan.
Good morning, and on behalf of Roger Dean, I'd like to welcome everybody for this I Speak this morning. I would like to express our appreciation for the cooperation of all of you, especially the media, in making Kadayawan a really king of festivals, which we claim always. And then you know your part, you know how big a part you play in making this a very successful event. Kilala tayo all over the Philippines, even our mga kababayans outside the Philippines, na pagdating ng August, tanong na nila, what are the events of Kadayawan? Ano ang mga dates na para they will plan their trip already for home, for a reunion with family, and also to enjoy the festival. So, maraming salamat sa our 11 deputy mayors in helping us making this a festival. I think tama si that we are the only festival in the Philippines that celebrates culture and also our bountiful harvest, which we praise the Lord for giving Davao the rich fruits and flowers and the rich culture that we have. So again, I invite everybody to join us in celebrating our 39th Kadayawan Festival this August.
Mabuhay o madayaw, ayaw po sa tanan. First of all, thank you to our media friends, of course, to everyone, to the rest of the Execom and the deputy mayors of the 11 tribes for being with us this morning. So it's Kadayawan, again, the 39th Kadayawan, the king of festivals, the biggest festival that signifies what a true Dabawenyo is. So on behalf of the Davao Tourism Association, we invite everyone, most especially our private sector, our locals, to support and come celebrate with us. Because the Kadayawan Festival is not just for guests, it's not just for the tourists, but it's for us, tayo mga Dabawenyo, and for our tourism, for our beloved Davao City. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ma'am Nicole. And of course, the celebration of Kadayawan will not be safe and secure and orderly without these two gentlemen in front of us. So kailangan na ito ilang opening statement. Dito kaya Sir Angel Sumagaysay for your opening statement, sir.
Hello. Sige, may buntag sa tanan no. Una, thank you very much sa tuwang host, si Ma'am Jean Bangayan. And of course, si Ma'am Jennifer Romero, si Ma'am Nicole, o ako ang mga 11 tribes nga niya rin, no? O of course, partner ako, sparring partner ako, si Bella. You know what? While the Execom is busy preparing for Kadayawan, kami po sa security and safety, busy po. You know, iba no? Ibang activity ang security diri sa preparation ng EXICOM for Cagayawan. Diri mi naka-focus kay kinasiguro namon ni Colonel Abudi and Colonel Baluran, at the end of the day, satisfied din ang mga tao. Dili lang sa mga i-enjoy nila kung saan Cagayawan, pero bisan sa security and safety nila, comfortable sila. So, mao na nga akong challenge sa ano. But then again, no, of course, dili ni siya magiging successful kung wala ang mga stakeholders and kamo mga partners namo kay Kamuray Bridge namo nga mapaabot sa tao ang bahin sa security and safety. So hopefully padayon nato ni i-sustain nato ang atong relasyon and tabang ini nga ma-sustain nato ang peace and order ang Davao City. So kaganina halos gina-mention ko ng 11 tribes pero wala pa nag-attempt ani nga i-adapt ako. Puro lang welcome. Anyway, thank you very much. Mga partner na ako din sila sa security na aspeto diri sa syudad. Regular ang engagement na mo sa ila. Monthly. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Angel. And finally, Sir Judicial Abudi for his opening statement.
Yes, apil lang ko atong gusto ting aron ni kadto sa mga isay. But anyway, may punta sa atong tanan. Una-una, pasalamat ko na din akong representa sa City Transport Traffic Management Office. Invite me rin para padayan ko na mo kung saan yung preparation with regard sa atong 39 Cagayawan. Ay buntag.
Thank you, everyone, for your opening statements.
For our domestic na tourists. So that is also the mandate from our beloved mayor to really push for our local market within the nearby areas. So our preparation would not hinder on the climate, but rather we are always inspired to prepare and to make Cagayawan more colorful by all this preparation so that our performances, our events would attract more tourists to come. So in short, performance will always be louder than anyone else with what's happening in our climate in the Philippines. So that is also our support to the mayor that whatever it is, all our activities, we will do it right and we will exceed as much as possible so that it would be a platform that we are always in our commitment to really promote the city no matter what.
Good morning, Maya. As you mentioned, because of the political climate that we have here, it is a challenge for us in the executive committee, not only for the executive committee but also for the whole Davao community, to show our fellow Filipinos and the world that it's a challenge for us to make Cagayawan more maingay, and then to show everybody that despite and in spite of everything, Davaoenos are resilient, Davaoenos are united, and so I challenge everybody to join in making this a very, very successful 39th Cagayawan, to show everybody, not only the Philippines, but the world that, Davao stands as one, and we support our 11 tribes, and we also want to celebrate in spite of whatever happens. Thank you.
Good morning once again. There will always be factors that are beyond our control. But this external factors just goes to show how resilient we are as a city and as people of Davao, and together with our culture, ethnicity, and our bountiful harvest. So we in the private sector have really been working hard to push our fellow tourism establishments to have promotions, discounts that would entice not just the tourists but also us here in Davao to go out and celebrate Cagayawan instead of going somewhere else. Because of course we need to support our own city because this is our home after all. Last year, the City Tourism Operations Office have made a target of 200,000 tourist arrivals for Cagayawan. So in spite again of the external factors, we are still very hopeful that this year we will be able to meet or even surpass such targets. There have also been development of new tours, new travel packages, new community-based tourism sites and activities. DOT11 also has a Davao Region Adventure Challenge, of which as of yesterday, I think they have about 400 sign-ups already. So that means to show that aside from Cagayawan, when tourists come here, there are also other things to do, other things that they can celebrate together with us. So at the end of the day, it's really up to us, tayo na mga taga Davao, to speak well of our city and to help promote our city. Even just by simply posting in social media, sharing the calendar of the events, so that people would come. And then as a whole, it would really show how truly united we are, most especially during this challenging and yet exciting time.
Thank you. Just a follow-up. On Jen, what's the tourist target for this year's Cagayawan?
For these years, we are looking at 200 to 250. Hopefully, we will reach the number given that the lineup of our Cagayawan events and plus the Ironman is also within August, so we will be hitting that number.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Maya.
We are expecting 250,000 visitors, tourists.
So far, we have plenty of our rooms inventory in the city. So the influx of the target tourists, may it be local or international, and given that Ironman will be also have its own event in time for August. So far we are monitoring and we are closely coordinating with the hotel associations. Wala pa namang shortage for the room accommodation. And in fact, we are also checking the occupancy nila. So far wala pa namang advice of fully booked status within the period of our Cagayawan.
To add to that, because now at least we have alternative accommodations. We have the hotels, we have resorts, we have self-site accommodations also, so that we are able to cater to the influx of tourists. And aside from that, of course, when tourists come in, aside from Davao City, some of them would also consider staying outside of Davao, so they also enjoy what the region can offer, and that includes also Samal. So for now, Davao is really ready to cater such influx of tourists.
We have an ongoing security and safety coordination meeting, and this is participated by the different security units. Well, as of now, I think naanami sa mga 95%. Actually, 95%. We have dedicated personnel for every event, so mga importante. And that includes even in the accommodation, na atay ginabutan din ha. So I think we are ready.
How many personnel are we going to deploy?
For Cagayawan alone, kasali yung sa Ironman, we have 4,104 security personnel. Integrated na siya mga security and safety.
How about on that day, August 18?
Well, I'm sorry. For August 18, this is Pamulak and Indak. Correction, 4,104. But all in all, for the whole month celebration, we have 20,485 personnel, and then we have 661 average deployment daily. So anak kada ko ato ang preparation.
Josh, nahuso na lang ako kang Sir Abude. Sir, traffic nato, kumusta ang atong plano para dili magkulgod ng dagat sa trafiko during the activities?
Yes, ang atong opisina, since ang atong route sa atong pamulang Bitakindak is pareho gyapon last year, so this is preparation ng atong plan, but we have additional personnel for the deployment. In fact, we have already the details of number of details sa mga personahe namo. abot siya og 486 for the whole activity. No? But we have deployed 118 for the Pamulang Uling on August 18. So we have closures as per route sa atong Pamulang ang Indak-Indak. Then meron tayong mga almost 18 corners and intersection na pwede nato ma-close, especially magsugod ka sa may corner Quezon Boulevard Rojas, din ang atong corner sa Sinto, Padre Paura, Artiaga, Gomez and Zamora, din dito sa may Ponciano, Rojas, tapos sa may Mabini Street, kaning adjoining to Rojas para dili mablock ang mga sakyanan. So muna ang corner Gomez, Artiaga, Paura, Aurora and Rizal. So muna ang kato sa may Mabini. Pwede nato na nana siya sa atong map nga nato. Then corner Quezon Boulevard San Pedro, si Bricto, Rotonda Bonifacio, Bolton Pitson, Inigo Pitson, Pilayo Pitson, din Palmahel and Camus Illustre. Muna yung mga request nato na ito nato sa Sagunay Palusot for crafting of ordinance.
Ang budget, the same as last year, so more or less, and plus the amount coming from our sponsorships. So naata more or less naata sa 59 million, including na ang ato ang sponsorships.
Ilang counterpart ng government po?
Ang ato ang sponsorship is naa siya sa 11, almost 11 million. So the rest is maana na atong budget from the city government approved through our annual development fund.
Okay, ma'am. How many po ang accredited activities?
Ang na-present sa MUA, the city sports, I think they have 49 accredited sports-related activities ang i-present sa Execom. But naapay dagdag, we'll be having our Execom this afternoon. So naapatay dagdag ata ng mga at least 10 to 15 na i-present pa nila. But most of our accredited events, ikan siya sa city sports na to.
49 sports related, ang katong dili sports po?
We already approve at least 2. So ang isa ani is the circus something that will open this August 1. So na-approve na nato. I think 1 or 2 ang na-present na sa Execom na approve. That's on top of the city sports related na activities.
Last ma'am, aside from katong giusa na ang Pamulang o Indak-Indak, unsa pay kabaguhan karon sa Kadayawan?
Aside na ato ang gi-combine, na atay bago na activity. So this is particularly, we will be having pananaw sa Kadayawan sa Magsaysay Park. So kaning pananaw sa Kadayawan, a food and products fair, mag-open ni siya August 9 until August 18. So ato ni siyang i-highlight ang mga food sa 11 tribes, at the same time ang ilang mga products. So ang ato ang event would be, we will be setting up a mega tent in the middle sa Magsaysay Park. Then we will be providing stalls sa 11 tribes para i-showcase nila ang ilahang mga food specialties o ang ilahang product in time for the entire stretch of our Kadayawan na event. So ang atong opening will be on August 8 dito gihapon ta sa Magsaysay. Then August 9 until August 18 ang pananam sa Kadayawan Food and Products Fair will also be there sa Magsaysay. So ato ang tumong ani is to showcase kung unsa tong mga pagkaon na gina-offer sa atong 11 tribes para the experience is not only for our events, but they can, ang ato ang mga bisita, not only mga visitors, mga Dabaweños can also be immersed sa mga food and products na gina-offer sa atong 11 tribes.